So today is the day. The day is finally here that I switch from this broken phone, the iPhone 6s, to the OnePlus 6. I finally got it right here. And we did like a mini unboxing at the pop-up event itself. I'm hoping you guys watch the vlog. It's still linked up here, so you go ahead and watch it if you haven't already. These are the friends we made in the queue.
Hi guys.
Some awesome people, and they are unboxing the phone. Oh my god, this is... You go ahead first. Alright, we're gonna pop it together. Nice. Just like tear it off. Okay, let's do this. The speed we need. 3, 2, 1.
It won't. 3, 2, 1. That's not the speed we need.
Okay, let's show them. Okay, we're so scared. No. I'm so scared. I don't want to like.
No problem. Pull it up. Pull it up.
Go ahead. Okay. Midnight. Mirror. Midnight. Yeah, mirror's gonna get like a lot of fingerprints. See? So yeah, that was the video of all of us unboxing our phones together. That was because I wanted to show you the difference between Midnight and Mirror Black. And thanks to all these guys we met at the event, they let us unbox together. So I also have to show you what we got inside the goodie bag, because all the first 30 people that came to the Delhi pop-up event got some merchandise and goodies apart from the phone itself. So that we're gonna unbox, and I'm gonna open and show you what all I got. Other than that, I'm also gonna unbox the phone and show you what all you get inside the box. So even if you order it from Amazon or get it from a store later, you'll know what all you get along with the phone. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Okay, so the first thing that I get my hands on is the merch t-shirt. Let's see what it is. Okay, I don't know where to open this. Oh nice, Ziploc bag. Or whatever it's called. It's a polo t-shirt. It's in size medium, so I can wear it. And it doesn't have very loud, you know, logo or anything, so it's wearable. I can wear it otherwise as well. I didn't want the big Never Settle one because you really can't wear it at any other time, right? So yeah, this is the first thing. That aside, let's see what else do we get. We get a notebook, and it's a plain notebook. So yeah, good for taking down notes or work or whatever. And then we have this laptop cover or sleeve inside the sleeve cover. Yeah. Oh wow, this is Star Wars. These are the only things that we get in the goodie bag. Other than that, we have, of course, we have the phone. So yeah, let's unbox that and let me show you what all comes with the phone inside the box. So OnePlus itself makes really good boxes. Like, they look so premium because of the minimal design. You have the 6 written right here. You have the speed you need and the OnePlus 6 with some branding on top. So yeah, let's pop this. And there it is. There it is. So beautiful. Okay, let's keep the phone aside. Let's first see what comes inside the box itself. We have this, and then in this we have a cover. There's the SIM tool. We're gonna use it later because I'm not putting in my SIM yet. Then we have the manual, OnePlus manual, and that's all. And then we have this cover. It's a clear cover, but just like a little bit of texture inside. I think it's a good cover for at least midnight black. This is gonna be good. And then we have the charging cable and the adapter. This is cool. That's all. I think that's all we have in the box. Now let's try to set up the phone. I haven't tried to switch it on yet. This is the first time I'll be switching it on. Let's do it this side and show you. Long press. There you have it. There you have it. So yeah, it's saying hi. Let's get that. It's a beautiful screen. The 6.28 inch, it looks beautiful. 19:9 ratio. And before we get inside the phone, the alert slider is still there. And it's so tactile. It's so easy to use. It'll be very easy to use. The buttons are really sturdy when you touch them. And then you have the Android Type-C, and then you also have the headphone jack, which I absolutely love because I'm not such a big fan of wireless headphones. And then you have at the back the fingerprint scanner right here, and then the dual camera setup has been moved to the center. So yeah, let me get started. English, yes. OnePlus state, recommended. Okay, next, agree. I'm gonna try to show you user experience program. I'm in, I guess. Okay. System stability program, I'm in. Push notifications, set up new or copy your data from Android or iPhone. I'm gonna copy my data, and then I'm gonna connect to a Wi-Fi and then get back to you quickly. That was the quick unboxing we just did with the OnePlus. The only thing I don't like about the brand OnePlus is that they don't give their own earphones or their brand earphones inside the box or with the phone. I guess they do cost cutting there. Other than that, I am freaking out right now because this phone is beautiful and it's huge. Like in comparison to this, it's so much bigger. So yeah, do subscribe to our channel, and we're gonna be uploading every day this week just to do a OnePlus 6 series because we're excited to just play around with this phone and experiment and find out what all it can do. Do let me know in the comments below if you're planning to buy a new phone and if it's the OnePlus, and even if it's not, what do you like or what do you not like about the OnePlus brand and the OnePlus 6 particularly. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, all I'm asking you to do is pick better.